Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the LoveBoxxx Sexy Surprise Egg. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included in the Sexy Surprise Egg. Perfect for beginners and couples as well. Something to lighten up the bedroom. To start, we have a beautiful feather tickler, a penis sleeve with nubs on the outside. It's made of a stretchy and soft material to ensure the perfect fit and a comfortable one too. A bullet vibrator, batteries are included. It comes with multi-speed vibrations. For more intense vibrations, twist all the way to the right. To turn off, twist all the way back to the left, and it's now off. We have fun sex dice here. Simply roll the dice and do whatever the dice says. For example, tickle. We have a fun anal plug here, which has a wide flat base to ensure it stays in correctly and has a pointy tip, so insertion and removal is simple and easy. The material is soft and flexible for a comfortable fit. We have a beautiful lacy blindfold just here for a seductive look, and it's easily adjustable with 2 ribbons on either side. A sexy surprise massage candle with a sandalwood and jasmine scent. Simply light the candle like so and wait until it becomes an oil and then massage it into the skin. Next up, we have a fun cock ring which is stretchy and comes with vibrations. Simply push the button up like so and enjoy wonderful stimulation. To turn off, simply push down and it's now off. We have a fun pair of furry handcuffs just here, which also come with keys, perfect for tying up your partner in the bedroom. A vibrating egg, batteries are included and you only need to push this button and enjoy wonderful vaginal stimulation. We also have a pair of nipple clamps with feathers at the end for a fun, seductive look. Simple and easy to use and provides wonderful nipple stimulation. Bondage rope so you can easily tie up your partner safely and comfortably. The material is very soft to use. Challenge your partner cards. Lots to choose from. Simply pick a card and do it. Look your partner in the eyes and tell each other why you like each other so much. So many to choose from. And last but not least, a sexy lingerie thong. It has beautiful lace detailing with 2 ribbons on either side. It's an open crotch thong with beautiful pearl beads as well, giving it a very elegant look as well. Now, when using some of these products, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean your products after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. And that is the LoveBoxxx Sexy Surprise Egg. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.